Hello everyone. Today we are in Shanghai Acepack Intelligent Technology Company. This is one of the best packaging company from China, and we have our production manager here, Frank. Hi Frank, how are you?
Hi Ali, how are you? Nice to
I'm
meet
good.
you.
Yeah, it's good to have you here today, and we will discuss something about upcoming event in Germany, Düsseldorf, the Interpack exhibition in 2026. Interpack, we all know, is a famous and well-known exhibition in the whole world. So what type of cutting-edge technologies and flagship product you are planning to bring into Germany? And what do you think, what is your advantage technology and product with the same type of products in the industry?
At this exhibition, our company will exhibit 3 machines. A full-servo horizontal form, fill, and seal machine, a full-servo flexible pre-made bag packaging machine, and a full-servo multi-lane packaging machine. All 3 machines utilize a full-servo structure, offering advantages such as simple maintenance, high operational precision, higher OEE efficiency, and higher return on investment. They can meet the packaging needs of customers in various industries, including food, personal and home care products, and pharmaceuticals, for higher efficiency, easier changeover, and simpler operation and maintenance.
Frank, this year it will be how many times you are going to participate in Interpack? And what motivates you to continue participating in Interpack?
This is our 5th time participating in Interpack. As the world's professional packaging machine exhibition, Interpack attracts high-quality customers from various industries worldwide. Platform for our company to show our latest products and technologies. And it also brings us many high-quality potential customers and agents.
What specific goals have you set for exhibiting at the upcoming Interpack 2026? And beside order conversation, what are your expectations for brand exposure, industry exchange, and technology validation?
Our primary goal is to share Acepack's latest packaging technology with customers visiting our booth, and to spread this information to more widely through Interpack's customers. This is our first time participating in Interpack with our equipment, and we hope that through equipment demonstrations, customers will gain a deeper understanding of our product, processes, and details, allowing more customers to know Shanghai Acepack's product positioning, further enhancing our brand image and international influence.
My next question is, in your global expansion strategy, which overseas market is your company currently focusing on? And at Interpack 2026, what type of buyers you think will be the best for your company? Distributors who is looking for the new equipment, or the end industry decision makers who is directly related with the products and your machines?
Our current key markets include South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. At Interpack 2026, we hope to meet 2 types of customers: medium and large enterprises in various countries across industries such as food, daily chemicals, and pharmaceuticals, and also professional equipment distributors.
Interpack 2026 focuses on global debates, and while we all know Interpack China is very close to the Chinese market, will you differentiate your exhibits based on the differences between the 2 markets? And do you plan to carry over any highlights from the German exhibition to the Chinese exhibition?
We will show our latest technology and products at both exhibitions. The Chinese market is developing rapidly, and Interpack China also attracts many international customers. Therefore, we feel it is necessary to show our latest packaging technology equipment at Interpack China as well.
My next question will be, in addition to Düsseldorf, Germany and China, the Interpack brand is also expanding into emerging markets such as Middle East. Have you been following to or learning about Interpack MEA, Middle East area, and what are your company's view on expanding into these emerging markets?
Yes, our management has been paying attention to Interpack's exhibitions in the Middle East for a long time and has already done some research. The Middle East is a key market for our development at this stage, with very large market demands. We will participate in Interpack's relevant exhibitions in the Middle East at a proper time.
Frank, today really very thankful to have you here. Thank you for your time. And if you are interested in Acepack products and company, please visit their booths in Düsseldorf, Germany. The booth number is 17A41.